Can you please tell me, how are you feeling now? The Indian Army has launched a full offensive against Pakistan after it was striking the civilians, including the people in Jammu and Kashmir and the villagers out here.
Let me first clear one thing. We are at ground zero right now. You are right now in the border area where shelling has been taking place from past many days. An important thing which I want to share with you, that is the people are totally not panic here. When we go through different media channels, it is being shown by the local media that the people are panic. So for me, the people are not panic. Actually, we do have a strong belief over the Indian army, over the army which has been deployed at border areas. So we have a strong belief in them. And yesterday you might have heard the LG, esteemed worthy LG of our J&K, LG Manoj Sinha Saab had visited this Uri affected areas where this shelling has been taking place from past few days. So you might have watched a video clip. He was talking, he was just doing an interaction with our armed forces. And the armed force clearly replied that our morale and our josh is high. Same is the situation of we general masses. We are totally not feared. We are not feared of that very nation who is been just targeting innocent people of our this state. I'll add one more thing here. If you will take the example of this very border area, Uri, lot of people have been evacuated from here. Lot of houses, dozens of houses have been destroyed by that very nation. So which is not good for them. So at least they should just talk to their sense. This is the area, Jammu Kashmir is the state which was just moving towards the peace and prosperity. The year when our esteemed worthy Prime Minister of our state, respected Narendra Modi ji, when he took the political setup of India, our J&K state was indeed moving towards the peace and prosperity. You see hundreds and millions of tourists have been visiting Jammu and Kashmir, which has definitely, of course, which has...
That peace and stability that was coming to the valley, I think that has agitated Pakistan most. We have more people out here. We'll try and talk to you. आप लोग बताइएगा कि यहाँ पर आप लोगों को अब पता होगा कि पाकिस्तान की तरफ से सिविलियन को निशाना बनाया जा रहा है. जो यहाँ के लोग हैं वो कितने मजबूती के साथ इस पूरी सिचुएशन में खड़े हुए हैं, कितने ब्रेव बहादुर हैं यहाँ.
नहीं, वो तो बहादुरी का सबूत ही दिया है बरादरी का यहाँ के सब लोगों ने. लोगों के हौसले जो है अपने फौज के साथ, वो तो बेगनाहों का यहाँ पर कत्लेआम कर रहा है. वो इसमें तो हम भी इंसान ही हैं. हम भी तो फौज के साथ शाना बिशाना हम खड़े हैं लोग.
आप बताइएगा क्या अपने देश के साथ आप यहाँ पे, आप बताइएगा कि आप यहाँ पर हैं, यहाँ के जो लोकल्स हैं उन्होंने बहुत सारे देखे हैं कि कारगिल की लड़ाई हुई तब भी यहाँ के लोगों ने सरकार का और सेना के साथ मजबूती से खड़े रहे. क्या आपको लग रहा है इस बार भी आप लोग मजबूती से खड़े हुए हैं इस पूरे?
सर हम लोग बाहर का है, परदेसी, हम लोग मजदूरी करते हैं. हम लोग बिहार का रहने वाला है.
आपको क्या लग रहा है इस देश में इस वक्त जो हो रहा है, जो पाकिस्तान कर रहा है, यहाँ रहने वालों पे उसका असर पड़ रहा है, यहाँ काम करने वालों पे उसका असर पड़ रहा है?
सर हम लोग क्या बताएंगे, हम लोग काम करते, काम भी नहीं मिल रहा. हम लोग अभी ऐसे घूम रहे हैं, बेकार बैठे हुए.
इससे पहले आप काम कर रहे थे?
हाँ जी.
So it has impacted not only the locals out here but also the people who come here for work. आपसे एक बार और जानना चाहूँगी, what do you think that the people out here, the masses out here are feeling and how they will be standing strong with the armed forces, because we've been seeing that the explosions that keep on happening every night, there are sleepless nights for people, but still we are finding them quite brave and courageous.
Right, as you already told that there has been sleepless past few nights, but people are not so panicked because they do have a strong belief over the Indian army, and they are well aware that our Indian army is having they don't have a single deficiency which can cause harm for we general masses. So we are proud of our Indian army and we are proud of our central government.